In this video, we'll be calibrating the TR82 turbidity sensor. The turbidity sensor is a 3-point calibration. Your first point is a 0% in DI water. Your second point is 50% of the solution. In this case, it will be 20 NTU, and 100% of the solution, which would be 40 NTU. If you don't have DI water, you can place the sensor facing a non-reflective surface and use that as your electronic zero. You want to wait about 2 to 3 minutes in between each calibration. This will allow the sensor to stabilize. So in order to get into the first calibration, you'll press any of the bottom 4 keys twice. You'll press Cal. It will ask you if this is a new sensor. If this is a new installation or a replacement sensor, you will press yes. Any other case, you just say no. By pressing yes, what you're doing is erasing all of the data, calibration storage in the sensor. You'll press Auto, Cal 1, and wait for the stabilization bar to finish. Alright, now after the stabilization, the transmitter will ask you if you need to correct the value or not. In this case, we will need to correct it. So we say no and enter in 0. Accept this value. It will ask us, do we want to move on to Cal 2? You will not at this point. You'll place the sensor now in your Cal 2 solution. You want to pick a dark container with no light reflection. This will be our 20 NTU solution. You'll let it sit here for about 2 to 3 minutes before moving on. Okay, now after the 2 to 3 minutes, you can move on to Cal 2 and wait for the stabilization bar to finalize. Okay, after 2-3 minutes, you can now move on to Cal 3. Wait for the stabilization bar. Once stabilized, you can correct the value. In this case, this will be now 40 NTU. Press OK, accept this value, say OK, and back home. And now you're done with your calibration. In order to do a standardization, you will need to put the solution that you wish for. This time you can double press any of the bottom 4 keys twice. Press Cal. Is this a new sensor? Say no. Do stand for standardization and enter in the value that you wish for. Once you are done, you'll press OK. Accept this value, say yes, OK, home, exit. You will need to give it about 2 minutes for it to accept the value and revert back to what you wish that you entered in for.